Are you ready to unlock the full power of Amazon Web Services? Introducing AWS Ultimate Guide. From beginners to advanced, the all-in-one resource designed to take you from AWS novice to confident cloud practitioner. Whether you're just starting out or deepening your cloud expertise, this book equips you with step-by-step explanations, real-world scenarios, and dozens of clear, well-crafted diagrams that make even the most complex AWS services easy to understand. Explore foundational services like EC2, S3, and IAM, and dive deep into advanced topics including Amazon Route 53, application integration, AWS security, and AWS networking. What makes this guide truly stand out? Every chapter is designed for clarity and retention, with key insights, practical examples, and visual aids to reinforce learning. And to take it a step further, the book provides referenced YouTube tutorials, so you can follow along with hands-on labs and actually build in the AWS console. Ideal for beginners and professionals alike, exam prep for AWS Cloud Practitioner and Solutions Architect Associate. This guide bridges the gap between theoretical concepts and real-world applications. Praised by readers for its clarity, depth, and practical approach, it's more than a book. It's your personal AWS learning companion. So why wait? Start mastering AWS today with the AWS Ultimate Guide, from beginners to advanced. Available now on Amazon, Kindle, and paperback. Master AWS. Build smarter. Succeed faster.